Hey everybody, I'm in this old theater and I want to share a few more performance tips with you. And this one is about having the perfect performance. And the secret is you always see it happening and being done before you even step foot on that stage. Well, actually, I do step foot on the stage. I like to get there before the crowd is there, earlier in the day, to where I can look around and see what the room looks like, and then I can visualize the room being full. And I'm performing, whether I'm singing or shattering glass, and I see everybody going ballistic. They're going nuts. And after the performance, they're telling me, wow, Jamie, that was amazing. That was the best show we've ever had. So what you want to do before you get to your next performance is try to get there a little early before there's anyone in the crowd. Get up on that stage and look around. And there's a couple little cues you can give yourself. One is you can say, I'm home. And the other one, to be honest and a little cocky, say, I'm a effing rock star. Now, I don't mean that to be egotistical. It's a positive mindset thing. How do I know these work? Well, when I performed on Mythbusters, I remember being up on the stage. It was early in the day, and one of the producers said, Jamie, are you nervous? And I said, nervous? I'm home. This is my home. This is where I belong. And she says, you look like a freaking rock star. And I said, I am an effing rock star. So it's a mindset thing. You control your stage fright, your nervous energy. You control how to move that crowd and make that music come alive. So every time you're performing, whether you're like me doing a television show or a vocal workshop, or you're on tour or you're playing at a local gig, always see that performance beforehand. And when you step on stage, tell yourself, I'm home. And remind yourself, I'm an effing rock star, and I promise you, you'll have the most amazing performance of your life.